Speaking of metal buckets on wheels, Porsche Design is selling a $12,000 speaker built from a 992 GT3 exhaust. I have seen these bespoke speaker units in the past. They are very strange and interesting. Essentially, you have a legit exhaust pulled from a 992 GT3 in this case, and they call it a Soundbar 2.0. This one weighs 143 pounds. And it actually utilizes the exhaust in the sound design of the speaker unit. The Porsche 911 Soundbar 2.0 is an impractical but nonetheless rad. This is according to The Verge. Custom 212-channel Dolby Atmos capable speaker built by Porsche Design. 300 watts, 4K pass-through HDMI. Oh, you actually have Apple AirPlay 2 and Google Chromecast in there. You're not going to want to move it around very much at 144 pounds. And you also have an option to just mount it to the wall. This is for the type of car enthusiast that just wants to stare at an exhaust, at a 992 exhaust as they listen to their movies and music and such. And they have 12,000 to spare.
But it's so in your face.
Yeah.
Are you just going to mount that on your wall?
Well, what if you had like a really minimal interior and this was a focal point?
Yeah. Maybe a Porsche right next to it?
Yeah, I don't know. There must be some sort of aesthetic where this works out. It's not going to be for everybody's interior, that's for sure. But in the right environment and in front of an audience that can appreciate it, they'd be like, damn, dude, is that a 992 exhaust? And you're like, absolutely.
Perfect.
And then
got him.
You pull it off,
Yeah.
$12,000. Order it up right now. Silver only. Wow.
Very cool.
They don't say what year. I guess it's really made in Germany. There you go. Original exhaust system for the Porsche 992 GT3. Wow. Yeah, truly a unique item. I mean, people pay for all types of weird things, Will.
Yeah.
Especially if they're limited or unique.
Mm.
It's a pre-order right now. People pay for weird things. Enthusiasts pay for weird things. Mm-hmm. Rich people pay for really weird things.
I would like to know how this sounds, though.
Yeah.
Aren't you curious? Isn't there like a play button here?
It sounds like an exhaust system, actually. No. Okay.